Hello guys, this is the part 81 to 90 of Iketes in Roblox. Just find the transparent wall. And that's it. And just follow my lead, okay? And then the way. Just follow the path, bro. It's so easy. Then that's it. Level 82. The emoji. Yes, the emoji. I think the emoji is in the previous door right there. That's the emoji I'm finding, but I'm confused. Yes, I'm confused this time. That's why I forgot. And just click it, bro. Not that way. The other side. See, I'm confused. And that's it. Just click it, bro. And from this one, just jump and bring the box to the other side. And push it again. Just between the box, okay? See, then push the ball gently, careful, and that's it. For the level 84 is just 1603. 1603. Oh, 03. For the next one is just count the person. Just count the person. I think it's 27. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. See, 27. Then for the next level is just the climb. This is so far, bro. Legit, so far. Just memorize the number. Memorize the 1906, okay? Or just keep it down in your notes if you want. Or in the message, the top left corner. This is for, bro, legit. This is for exhausting. And you want fast forward. See, it's too far. Just jump, too easy to climb. Okay, just jump. Then another. Then another one. Then another one. Yes, this is the last. See? And slide. 87 just the calculation. 7 times 3. 21. 21 times 3. 63. So, the A is 63. The B is 35. Then, the C is equals to 1 because 0 plus 1 is 1. 197. And that's it, guys. Then, for the next one is just the count, I think. Yes. Just count all. Not all, just the line. Okay. Count. The count is, it's 50. The length. Just count the pattern, right? Just count it, bro. It's 50. The answer is 50. And that's it. For the next one is just find the code. It's easy, bro. Just in the fire extinguisher. N9783. 9783. For the last one is just see the code, just jump in the red and die. And 1940 is the code. 1940. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe.